Meaning of draftsperson.
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 Draftsperson. A draftsperson is a professional who specializes in creating technical drawings, plans, and blueprints that are used in construction, engineering, manufacturing, and other industries. They work closely with architects, engineers, and designers to create detailed, accurate, and precise drawings that communicate important information about the projects they are working on. Draftspersons use computer-aided design, CAD, software and other specialized tools to create their drawings, and they must have a strong understanding of geometry, physics, and material science. Overall, draftspersons play a critical role in the creation and execution of complex projects across a range of industries.